जी। डॉक्टर अमर पटनायक जी। डॉक्टर अमर पटनायक
सर, लोकसभा।
हाँ, लोकसभा से बोले।
Thank you, sir. Sir, paragraph 6 of the Statement of Objects and Reasons of this Act says that Act of 2011 was valid till 31st December 2020, and it was necessary to continue the protection of those unauthorized developments where adequate measures were yet to be taken. Considering this fact, I support this bill. I would also like to draw the attention of Honorable Minister to a mission that was initiated very successfully in Orissa by Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa, Sri Naveen Patnaik. It's called the Jaga Mission, or Jaga Mission. Jaga means land. In October 2017, the Orissa government enacted the Orissa Land Rights to Slum Dwellers Act. This is one of the largest land titling initiative anywhere in the world. About 10 lakh beneficiaries would be there, and most importantly, it is going to be in the small and medium-sized towns as well. So 2 lakh households living in 2,000 slums in all 109 small and medium towns in the state. And technology using drones, imaginary, community mobilization were also were involved while designing this particular thing. So I would, while supporting this bill, I have only one concern, that the initiative that has been taken by the Orissa government, which has been internationally acclaimed, could probably be adopted while preparing the Master Plan 2041. My, in fact, concern is that the Master Plan 2041 has been delayed now for about 15 years. And bigger concern is the latest order decision by the Supreme Court on December 16, 2020, where the Supreme Court is questioning the regularization of unauthorized colonies on the ground, basically, of a moral hazard issue. I take this opportunity to read a paragraph from this order which says...
Please sum up. Your time is over, Dr. Patnaik.
So,
please,
just half a minute.
Please,
so I would suggest that the action has to be taken very quickly, and while making the 2041 master plan, issues relating to cycle lanes, footpaths, social distancing norms, because COVID is something which we should learn from, water and waste management techniques, mixed-use workspace, child-friendly cities, and child-friendly areas would probably be considered. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Patnaik. Honorable M. Shanmugam.